Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make the chicken Alfredo that my whole family loves. So if you want to learn how to make it, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they'll be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin prepping. Alright guys, so first we're going to begin by seasoning our chicken. Here I already have it thin sliced. Just going to drizzle a little bit of oil. Okay, make sure that it is evenly coated. And now sprinkle your favorite chicken seasoning. And if you don't have one, I will leave the spice blend in the description box. So make sure that it gets nice and coated. Alright, and once we have it, we're going to set it to the side. Alright guys, so here I already have my salted water boiling. Just going to be adding my pasta and allow it to cook al dente according to its packet. Alright guys, so my pasta has been cooking for 5 minutes. So here I'm going to be adding my broccoli and just allow it to continue to finish cooking with the pasta. Alrighty guys, and after another 5 minutes, my pasta is al dente and my broccoli is nice and soft. So here we're going to strain it and just set it to the side. And from the pasta water, we're going to be reserving 3/4 of a cup. Now that we have that, we can get ready to cook our chicken. Alright, so here I have my pan set over medium-high heat. Just going to add a little bit of oil. And once that's nice and hot, we can place our chicken. Alright, so now we're just going to allow our chicken to cook for 3 to 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, we're going to flip our chicken over and allow that side to cook for another 3 to 4 minutes or until it's fully cooked. Alright guys, so after another 4 minutes, our chicken should be done. Of course, make sure that you check it. And here we're just going to remove it from the pan and reduce the heat to medium. To our pan, we're going to be melting our 5 tablespoons of butter. Just move it around to scrape the bottom of the pan. Okay, once the butter melts, add your 5 minced scarlet cloves. Mix it and allow that to cook for about 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, add your 2.5 cups of heavy cream. And just mix it in along with the pasta water. Now here we just mix and bring it to a simmer. Once it comes to a simmer, taste it for salt and see if you need to adjust it. And now we're just going to stir for about 5 to 7 minutes or until our sauce begins to thicken. Alright guys, so after 5 minutes, our sauce should have thickened. So now we're going to get ready to add our freshly grated Parmesan cheese. Along with this, we're also going to be adding our 1/2 cup of freshly grated mozzarella cheese. And here, just make sure that your heat is low, so like that your sauce doesn't separate. But just allow the cheese to melt. And just like that, we have our delicious Alfredo sauce. So now we can get ready to add our pasta and broccoli. Make sure to coat the pasta with the sauce. And you can also mix in your chicken if you like. So here I'm just going to place it on top. I'm just going to garnish with some fresh parsley. Alright guys, and now we can get ready to serve. Alright guys, and once we have our delicious chicken Alfredo, we can now get ready for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. This is seriously super easy to make. It's so delicious. I promise you, you and your family are going to love it just as much as we do. So I hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. This is honestly super creamy, so smooth. I am so ready. So cheers and enjoy. For a reason, it's a favorite. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how to make a super easy and delicious chicken Alfredo. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you regret this recipe, please don't forget to tag me on any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys keep part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.